Wreck? Shoot! I'm the world's best backwards driver. You just watch this right here, lover boy. Hey, what are you doing? Watch out, watch out!
Later!
Ain't no need to watch where I'm going. Just need to know where I've been.
Pull over. Pull over right here. Stop.
Multiple people calling on you driving in reverse on 100.
Listen, the car was stuck in reverse. Well, I mean, I didn't think I didn't think that it was that bad. When you know what I'm saying, I wasn't even swerving or anything like that, or driving fast or anything.
You're driving backwards on the road.
Yeah, I mean, it's the same thing as if you
No,
were
it's
reverse.
not.
It's not.
It's not, dude.
Yeah.
The cigarette out.
Leave it in your mouth. Just turn around, fan.
I'm not going anywhere. You want that shit up with you? I've been telling him that. I've been telling him. You know what I'm saying?
Stop moving around for a
I'm not
second.
moving around. My hands are here, honey. I'm not doing nothing.
Good morning.
You were stopped for disobeying the sign on there that says no right turn from 7 a.m. to 9:30. I need to see your driver's license, please.
Yes, sir.
God damn! God damn! Son of a... Okay, just go ahead. Go ahead. Just go ahead.
How are they not the same things? They very much seem similar. Yeah, I think from a consumer point of view, there's very little difference between these products. You put money on the line. If your team wins, you get money out.
Bike lane.
So from like a layman's point of view, I think there's very little difference.
What are you doing, you idiot?
There is a difference. On a gambling, in gambling, you're betting against the house.
What are you doing?
The betting firm sets the odds that you're betting against, right?
Okay.
Whereas in a prediction market,
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Holy. Damn.
Your dispatch has been updated.
1033 for Charlie.
FET pit.